In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for scholarly articles in the Gale Academic OneFile database. I'm going to start on the opening page of the database, and I'm going to show you a basic keyword search. But first, I want you to notice the Browse by Discipline space below the search bar. Many of the Gale databases have this topic spot on the opening interface. If you're having trouble coming up with a topic, this is a great way to help you figure out which direction you'd like to go. When you click on one of the subjects, it will open a page with additional links to help you narrow that field. Once you decide on the subtopic, click that link and it will open articles for you to look through. But I'm going to go ahead and do a keyword search in the basic search bar for climate change. Now, I want you to notice the results bar at the top. This database defaults to academic journals, and next to it is magazines, and next to that is something newer in the Gale databases, essential overviews. These articles are summaries of your topic. It's another great place to help you learn about your subject. These articles have references to other articles and books to help you find additional sources for your paper or project, too. Anyhow, I'm going to go back to the academic journals and show you how to limit your results since my keyword search ended with a lot of articles. To do this, use the Filter Your Results workspace. The first place I like to go is the publication date. Depending on your project, you may want to filter the article results to specific dates. For example, if you're looking for something in the sciences, you'll want to filter the dates to the last 5 years. Open the filter and use the calendar helpers to choose a day and a year. I'm going to choose 2016, and then I'll choose the day that I want to start from. Then I'll open the To Calendar helper and choose today's date. Then I'll click Apply at the bottom. But before I do that, I want you to note the preset date helpers at the bottom of the box, too. Next, I'm going to use the subject filter. This list contains subject headings that lets us know what the main topic of the article is. So, if you're thinking about seeing how weather is affected with climate change, then we can choose the subject heading Weather. Now notice over here how the result numbers are getting lower with each filter that I'm using. So this may happen to you. After applying a few filters, the article results might not be what you're looking for. So you can back out of the filter searches by simply clicking on the X next to the filter in the Applied Filters section. This will take you back to where you were before. It's much easier than starting at the beginning. Now next, I want to show you the document type. If you find that the results are showing book reviews, author abstracts, and other documents that you may not want, then simply click on the document that you'd like to keep and get those other distractions out of the way. Now, if you know the title of a publication, you can choose that title under the publication filter. And last, with the Search Within filter, it's going to search keywords in the results you have at the time. I'm going to change direction on my topic though, and I'm going to take out the subject filter of weather. And instead I'll use the Search Within and type in Arctic Oceans. Now I'm down to 77 results, but I see at the top that there's a political article that showed up as one of my first results. So to get rid of some of the articles that I'm not interested in, I'm going to go back to the subjects filter and I'm going to choose Sea Ice. Now, these results look really good to me. So go ahead and play with the filters. You can't break it, and many times when you're doing research, it's a lot of trial and error. I run into problems too. Very rarely do I find exactly what is needed the first time through. Remember that you may need to use different keywords too. Take note of what you've used and try something different if it's not working. This was just a quick overview of searching a Gale database. If you'd like additional assistance, please feel free to contact one of your Sandburg librarians.